All right, today we are at Waterford. I've got my helmet on currently. We are racing my NC Miata. This is the second track day that I've done with it. First one was a complete disaster. If you haven't seen that video, you can watch it here. It's been going a lot better today. Though, I don't know for sure, but I think one of the wheel bearings in the rear might be showing some symptoms that it's probably time to change out. We're gonna go for one more lap though, see how it does. Little overview on the car. VersaTuner, track dog racing intake, straight through exhaust, no cats, big muffler at the end. All the mods are in the description. I'm running Falken RT660, 225/45/17 tires on some Konig Hypergrams. These have been doing really great today. It's about 80 degrees and sunny. It's very hot, but it's good. Progress front and rear sway bar, and then I have RoadsterSport long travel coilovers, which have actually been doing really well today, even on the street spring rate. So let's take this car out, go for a leisurely drive on track. I'm going to take it a little bit easy because of the noise that I heard last session. It's probably fine, but you can never be too cautious. The car has been handling very well. I think that the alignment, while on the conservative side, is, I think, good for me. It's a very balanced car. Just gonna warm up the tires. Warm up the brakes. Forgot to mention I have G-Lock R10 in the front. Hawk HP Plus in the rear. All right, we should be warmed up by now. The suspension is on the softer side. But I am not the fastest driver. Sounds good. Steering is very direct. I have so much feel in what the car is doing, how it's responding. Not a whole lot of power. That's for sure. But it's a good time. On a small track, an NC Miata is more than enough car to have some fun with. Brakes have been staying nice and firm. Took me a few tries to flush out all of the old fluid, but I finally did it. Oh yes, car's feeling good. This is such a great tool. Platform is nice and responsive. Transmission's easy. The shifting points are a little tough in some areas. I find that my gears are just a little bit too short. gonna go ahead and let this GR86 by. He looks like he's on a flyer. I'll be very, very nice. Go forth. There we go. Been doing a lot of point buys today for obvious reasons. But, you know, a slower car. But hey, I'm having the same amount of fun as everyone else. Oh yeah. Could the NC Miata use a little bit more power? Sure. I would not be opposed. If this had maybe like an extra 20 or 30 horsepower, that would be about perfect. Takes bumps very nicely. These long travel coilovers really allow you to just kind of like hop any curve that you could possibly want. And it really does not upset the car at all. It's good. Oh yes. The difference between today, we'll try second. The difference between today and last track day, way too short, is immense. This car feels so much more confident than before. It is doing very, very well. It hasn't broken yet, fingers crossed. There we go. We'll start to cool her down. Just wanted to do a quick couple laps, get some thoughts. I really think that Miatas are just, they're such great cars for the track, man. They're simple, they work. There's no fuel starvation. I barely use, I've used like no fuel today at all. These things are just so fuel efficient on track. And sure, they are slow, but like, you know, I don't know, who cares? I'm not doing a competition, I'm here for fun. And this car is definitely allowing me to have fun, that's for sure. Woo! It's getting hot though. Slowly cooling down. The one thing I will say, if you want to talk negatives, these seats are simply not holding me in at all. My legs are actually like genuinely hurting, like very bad. It's not great. Racing seat is definitely something that should be in the works. Realistically, yeah, it's probably time. My legs are like actually dying. But hey, you know, you can do the stock seats. It's just, you're gonna have to brace yourself, and bracing will definitely make your legs very sore. Other than that, only other negative that I could really think of, it's slow. But, you know, that's about it. Thank you guys for watching. Very quick video. Just wanted to have some fun, give you guys some thoughts on the NC Miata, how it's doing. And yeah, we'll keep on going.